Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best Intex pump hose is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components for maintaining a crystal clear and healthy swimming pool, ensuring your filtration system operates at peak efficiency to keep unwanted debris and contaminants at bay, ultimately providing a safe and enjoyable swimming experience for you and your family all season long. Number 5. Replacement hose set for above-ground pools. Easily install these hoses by screwing them into your pool and filter. This ensures a secure, leak-free connection every time. Designed to withstand constant water flow, these hoses are both durable and flexible. They are built to last through many pool seasons. Specifically designed for Intex pools, these hoses measure 1.25 inches in diameter and 59 inches in length. They are the perfect fit for your system. Quickly and easily replace your old pool hose with these universal pipes. They are compatible with most filter pumps. The translucent design allows you to easily check water flow. This helps ensure there are no air bubbles and your water is circulating smoothly. We've included 4 stainless steel clamps for a secure connection. Unlike plastic alternatives, these won't crack or warp. What we like. This hose offers a secure, leak-proof connection with its screw-in design. It's built to last, handling constant water flow while remaining flexible. If you are looking for a reliable and easy-to-install hose with added security from stainless steel clamps, this is a great choice for uninterrupted pool maintenance. What people say. These replacement plastic tubes were exactly what I needed for my above-ground pool. I used the search bar to find the exact measurements, and these popped right up, perfect fit. These seem a little more sturdy than the originals and much better than a different replacement I bought. They fit perfectly and definitely the metal clamp is an improvement from the plastic ones. Number 4. Intex Replacement Hose Adapter AW Collar. Easily convert your threaded hoses to clamp style with this essential adapter. It's designed to work with both 1.5 and 1.25 inch hoses for your Intex pool set. This is the A-Series adapter pair, model 25007. It's a genuine Intex OEM replacement part. It fits all Intex filter pumps with threaded hose connections, including those rated at 4,000, 2,500, 2,000, and 1,500 gallons per hour. This adapter also works perfectly with Intex chlorine generators and salt systems that utilize threaded hose connections. Using this genuine replacement part ensures your pool remains safe and functions optimally. Keep your system running smoothly with the right components. What we like. This adapter is designed to bridge the gap between threaded and clamp-style hoses, making it incredibly versatile for various Intex pool setups. It's a genuine OEM part, ensuring your pool system remains safe and functions optimally. If you have a mix of hose types or are upgrading your system, this adapter is the perfect solution to ensure compatibility. What people say. The inlet hose had these fittings molded into the hose, and the hose cracked. These fit perfectly, and the added O-ring is a bonus, making the hose a snug fit. These connectors were the final parts one needed to complete my cowboy plunge pool. They worked perfectly to allow the pump hoses to screw together with the intake and output inlets. We used this adapter on the crystal clear sand filter pump, #26643EG, that came with our Intex 9-foot X18 Ultra XTR rectangular frame swimming pool. We needed to attach a drain backwash hose to the drain outlet on the pump. The pump side of the fitting fit perfectly. The 2 tiers on the hose clamp adapter side measure 1.53, which worked well with a 1.5 backwash hose, and 1.25. Number 3. Intex Easy Install Pool Pump Replacement Hose, 2-pack. It's always a good idea to have a spare. Keep an extra hose on hand for convenience and peace of mind during pool maintenance. This accessory hose is designed for specific Intex pump models. It provides a tailored solution for your pool equipment needs. With a generous length, this accessory hose offers ample reach. It's designed for easy installation, ensuring hassle-free compatibility with your pool equipment. Each hose is lightweight yet durable. It comes with a 30-day coverage for any product defects, instilling confidence in its performance. These specifications ensure optimal compatibility and reach. It's a versatile solution for your pool maintenance needs. What we like. This option provides a convenient 2-pack, ensuring you always have a spare on hand for peace of mind. It's specifically designed for Intex pump models 603 and 637, offering a tailored fit. If you prioritize having a backup and want a hassle-free replacement for your existing compatible pump, this 2-pack is an excellent value. What people say. Good quality and perfect fit. Hoses were exactly what we needed. Their durability was so good that they lasted all summer, and I can even use them next year. Flexibility was good even when having to move the pool filter. Thickness was good. If you have an above-ground pool, this is the tubing you need to buy. They are super easy to install. The thickness is the same as what comes in the box with the pool. Number 2. Intex Surface Skimmer Replacement Hose 10531. This is the Intex Surface Skimmer Replacement Hose, model number 10531. It's designed to keep your pool clean and clear. Ensure your Intex skimmer continues to function optimally with this essential replacement hose. It's a direct fit for your existing system. Crafted for durability, this hose is built to last. Its robust design ensures reliable performance season after season. Measuring 30 inches in length with an inside diameter of 1.5 inches, it provides a perfect fit. This ensures efficient water flow for effective skimming. Installation is straightforward, allowing you to quickly get your skimmer back up and running. Enjoy a cleaner pool with minimal effort. Keep your pool water crystal clear with this reliable replacement hose. It's the perfect solution for maintaining your Intex skimmer's performance. What we like. This hose is specifically designed for Intex surface skimmers, ensuring a perfect fit for that particular function. It comes as a single unit with standard dimensions suitable for skimmer operations. If you need a replacement hose solely for your Intex surface skimmer, this dedicated option is the straightforward choice. What people say. This hose is a perfect fit for my Intex pump. The hose is made of durable material and seems like it will last a long time. It was easy to connect to my pump and pool. Number 1. Intex 29060E 1.5 Pool Pump Replacement Hose. Introducing the Intex 29060E, a 1.5-inch diameter accessory hose designed as a replacement for your pool pump. It's built to work with Intex pumps, saltwater systems, and sand filters. This accessory hose is compatible with filter pumps and saltwater systems rated at 1,500 GPH or higher, provided they have the correct size fittings. Measuring 59 inches in length, it offers ample reach for your pool's filtration setup. This generous length ensures flexibility in placement and connection. Installation is a breeze thanks to the pre-attached nuts on both ends. You'll have it connected and ready to go in no time. Weighing just 1.4 pounds, this hose is designed for durability. It comes with a 30-day manufacturer's warranty for your peace of mind. With a 1.5-inch diameter and a 59-inch length, it's perfectly sized for its intended purpose. This ensures a secure and efficient connection to your pool's system. What we like. This accessory hose is built for higher flow rate pumps, including 1500 GPH and saltwater systems, offering robust performance. Its 59-inch length provides ample reach, and the pre-attached nuts make installation incredibly fast and easy. If you have a more powerful pump system or saltwater setup and want a quick, no-fuss installation, this hose is the perfect fit. What people say. The hose is a perfect fit for the Intex pump. It is made of durable material and seems like it will last a long time. The connection is secure and does not leak. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.